Amboli is a small hamlet and a part of Sahyadri mountain range of Western Ghats is a biodiversity hotspot. Join me in this wildlife adventure to the magical forests of Amboli to look for the critters of Western Ghats. There are multiple ways one can reach Amboli. We took the air route. We took a flight from Delhi and landed at the Dabolim airport in Goa. From Goa to Amboli is approximately 100 kilometers, which takes about 2.5 hours on road. One can also reach Amboli from Mumbai via train. In the airport, a car was waiting for us to pick up from and drop at the hotel. The journey from Goa to Amboli is extremely scenic. Dense vegetation of rainforest on the both sides of the road made the journey an unreal experience. Since we had not taken any stop, we reached our hotel within 3 hours.
So this is the room, pretty spacious, and here we have the bathroom. The bathroom is also decent, clean also. So yeah, all in all, it's a good property. The biggest advantage is the view. So yeah, I'm all set for our evening trail. The best part about this particular property is that though it's little far from the Amboli main habitat where we'll be herping, look at the view. The view is amazing from the room. Very nice. So yeah, let's see what Amboli has in store for us.
After the sunset, we went towards the Amboli Forest Park, which is approximately 5 kilometers away from our hotel. There, our guide Kaustov came to meet us and we started our walk. We directly went towards a pond where the famous Malabar gliding frog is seen in very good numbers. Amboli is probably the best place to see and click these frogs, and upon reaching the spot, we got to see at least 7 of these frogs. These Malabar gliding frogs are capable of jumping extremely long, which looks like gliding, hence they got the name. They are an endemic frog to the Western Ghats. We got some very good shots of these species. Also, we observed a lot of tadpoles nearby. Even they also gave us very nice shots. After clicking the Malabar gliding frogs, we started to explore again and we came across a gigantic centipede in the forest. The bite of a centipede is extremely dangerous and painful. Hence, when you are near them, make sure that you have proper distance and you are wearing gumboot which gives you enough safety from them. Every single species of scorpion glows under the UV light, and we came across 3 different individuals, and upon flashing our UV torch on them, they looked a creature out of this world. After our encounter with the scorpions, we started to explore the forest again, and this time we came across some funguses which were actually sporing. Observing the sporing of a fungus inside of a dense dark rainforest was really a scene out of a Harry Potter movie. We came across our first gecko of the night. It was a Prashad's gecko, an endemic one. After our encounter with the gecko, we came across our first vine snake of the trail, and it was a juvenile one, which allowed us very close and gave us ample amount of time to observe its behavior. Green vine snakes are mildly venomous. Their venom is not harmful for the humans. While we were exploring for other wildlife, Brati actually spotted a rare one. It was a non-venomous shield tail. They behave like an earthworm and they are very rare. We were extremely lucky to observe one up close. And with that sighting, we concluded our first night trail of the trip.
So I'm all set for our morning session. It's 9:30 in the morning, and we are going to look for the dancing frogs today. Last night was amazing. We had an amazing time. We got most of the target species, and yeah. So I'm all set. I'm waiting for Kostub to arrive. The weather is actually clear and no rain is there. So in a way it's good. We don't have to worry too much to save the camera gears, but not sure how the activity is going to be. So yeah, let's hit the trail and let's see how the day goes. So we have arrived at the stream, and yeah. So here is Kostub.
Hello.
Kostub, say hi.
Hello.
So yeah, we are walking down this road. We'll head towards the stream and we'll look for our main target species, the dancing frog, northern dancing frog. ক্যানোপিতে চোখ রাখবি, এখানে সাপ থাকে। We can already hear the dancing frog calls. We hope that we get to see them. This chick 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 is the call.
Though we could hear the call all over the place, spotting these tiny little frogs were extremely difficult. Finally, we got one individual properly out in the open. The dancing frogs got their name from their courtship behavior of flagging their feet. Since these frogs are found near streams and their call is very light, so oftentimes, in order to attract the females, the male perform this particular courtship display.
So we got the rare northern dancing frog. It gave us a lot of time to observe its flagging, or rather dancing, and also we got some good shots. So I'm really happy. So the first target species of the morning is done now. So we are heading towards the main road, and from there we'll look for the pit vipers now. So yeah, let's see what all snakes we can find. So Kostu has found something. He's calling us. We are now entering another stream. This one is equally beautiful. Banded gecko.
In this place, we got some good shots of a banded bay gecko and a pit viper as well. We also came across some wrinkled frog eggs on a leaf, and with that, we concluded our morning trail. At night, we went back to the same trail where we saw the dancing frog, but this time, our target was the Bombay bush frog and the endemic Amboli bush frog. The first wildlife that we found was a Malabar pit viper, and it gave us very nice shots and video clips. After clicking the pit viper, we started to explore the trail again, and this time we got lucky with the Amboli bush frog.
Light more अच्छे से.
Luckily, I managed to take a shot while it was vocalizing, and with that, we concluded our Amboli trip. Amboli gave us a lot of memories to cherish for the rest of our life, I'll definitely come back to Amboli again. If you have enjoyed this video, I'll request you to please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.